In a line of soldiers facing north, P is 18th from the left. So 1, 2, 3, 18th from the left sits P. S is 21st from the right. 1, 2, 3, 21 is S. Remember, I'm not putting this together. 21 from the right could be to the left of 18th from the left. I'm putting two independent things. P is 4th to the left of Q. And to the left of Q, or to P's right is Q. 19, 20, 21, 22. This will be Q. Q is 8th to the right of S. So from Q, 8th position to the left should be S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we've got this thing going. So now we know S is 14th from the left and 21st from the right. Or totally, it should be 14 plus 21, 35. Is that right? Is that right? There's something funny about this. Think about it. You want to think about only S. Fine. So S is 1, 2, 3, 14th from the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 21st from the right. How many people are totally there? So take X, take S, keep it aside. Now count how many are there to S's left. 13 are there. To S's right, 20 are there. S is 21st. So 20 are there here. So 13 to the left, 20 to the right, 33 people plus 1, that is S itself, 34 people totally. This is what we are looking for.